Okay, all of this mess and pretty much creating a home brew, right, to take the soap scum is totally unnecessary. And even going out buying some product that smells so toxic, right, because it's a chemical, is also unnecessary. We're going to show you how to avoid all this hassle and save a lot of time and money. Well, that's it. There's the pro tip. Use a razor blade. It's really that simple. And that's what our channel is all about, saving you time. All right, so the Wise Guy channel is all about keeping it simple. And you can't get any simpler than using a razor blade, right? Hey, you go to any dollar store, right? You get a pack of four for basically $1.25, right? Here's a close-up of it, right? Right? And the best way to put it, it has little handles so you don't cut yourself. Shaves right off. Don't matter how thick that soap film is, right? And then here's another product. Let's say if it leaves a little something behind because you're going so fast, right? And this is something to be good for even your chrome rims on your base automobile. It's quadruple zero steel wool. A bag of this lasts forever. Right, it only costs us like $3. There's your pro tip. You don't need to be going through all this, basically, I call it gobbledygook. Yeah, all right. That's your pro tip. It's going to basically make life a lot easier. But if you want to avoid all that, hey, follow me into my bedroom. All right, I'm going to show you the easiest tip so you never have to clean the glass shower door or even your tile surround. Okay, let's get into my shower. All right, look at it. I don't do anything to keep it clean except, yeah, there's the little guy right there. Okay, and I like this one because he's like a switchblade. Right? Okay, so yeah, when you're basically taking a shower and you get whatever, just right, the same thing with the basically glass door. Look, it stays clean, right? It's that simple. It takes about 45 seconds, right? Now let's put it back. All right, let's get back to the office. We'll do a closing statement. Yeah, that squeegee is that's the way to go, right? But let's say you do have that soap film already built up. Yeah. Avoid all that gobbledygook mess, right? And especially toxic, basically cleaners. So here's my closing statement. Thank you for watching right to the end of this video. And like always, right, we'll see you on the next video. I want to thank you for watching the video. And please, we could use your help. Hit the like button and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video.